Amid the uncertainty of COVID-19, many cities across the country have been flooded with hundreds of inquiries daily from their residents. Many of the questions are similar. Where can I get tested for COVID-19? When will schools reopen, or even what city services are still available? We're here in Markham, Ontario, where the city has recently launched a new virtual tool, one where residents can have their questions answered by a form of artificial intelligence.
Hello, I'm the COVID-19 virtual assistant for the City of Markham.
It's called Watson Assistant for Citizens, adapted from the well-known Jeopardy-famous Watson program developed by IBM.
The AI, Watson Assistant specifically, indexes and understands a couple of things. The question that a citizen may be asking, the intent of how they're asking it, and then goes through preset pieces of data across the public internet, as well as across the City of Markham data websites, as multiple levels of government, healthcare, academic institutions, and comes back with the highest likelihood answer.
The company is offering it for a free 90-day trial period. Markham Mayor Frank Scarpitti says he'll wait until that period is done before commenting on whether they would invest in it or how much it would cost. One of the biggest benefits he sees is its ability to combat misinformation.
It only connects and uses information from trusted sources. So it's reliable, it's in real time, and I think a critical tool during a pandemic.
But just how effective is it? When will schools reopen?
Many schools have been closed due to the COVID-19 outbreak with no definitive date for reopening.
So let's ask a tough one, maybe something a little bit more complex. I'm going to ask, how long does the virus last on hard surfaces? Symptoms for COVID-19 typically appear 2 to 14 days after contracting the virus. So not the question I was asking, but just goes to show it's not perfect, but it does answer some basic questions pretty well.
You may be able to track which computer it's coming from, the demographic, the neighborhood, all of that stuff. How can people be assured that their data is kept private?
There is no data storage of any personal or private information on any of the IBM facilities or premises.
Scarpitti echoed that sentiment, saying the city is more interested in the types of questions asked, but will not be tracking who is asking them. Markham is the first city in Canada to use the technology. The mayor says he will be consulting with other municipalities who are interested and offering his experience. Now, obviously, anyone who has a phone or laptop can access the program and try it out, and the mayor's actually inviting you to do so. Even if you don't live in this city, he wants you to get a feel for how it works, but keep in mind, of course, that the information is catered for those who live here. For City News, I'm Natividad.